Hi, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to check documents for accessibility issues, correct them, and then add them back to your files. There's some weird things that are happening in UDOIT today, so I'm going to do this demo, warts and all, so that way you can see that, regardless if you get weird messages, you're still correcting the issues within your course. I do recommend that, as you can see here, there's a lot of documents to go through. 107 are missing titles, elements, 83 are missing tags. So I would suggest you go through your courses. If you have a large number like this, go through your files, unpublish anything that you don't plan to use for the semester, and then UDOIT will not scan the unpublished files. And you know that to be true because you're going to add that as your filter right here where it says hide unpublished files. Okay, so let me show you warts and all what the process is and how we're going to arrive successful on the other end. So I'll click here and let's go up here to this first one. And I'm going to download the file. Now, in downloading the file, whenever it goes up into the browser, you will want to drag that document to your desktop. You do not want to open it into your browser because you can't fix accessibility issues like that. So whenever I go to open up the document, here it is. And I will click first on preparing for accessibility. The first thing I want to do here, left click, automatically tag the PDF. And it will take a moment to tag it. Then you want to come down here to check for accessibility. Start checking. There are 3 issues. The title has failed. So I right click here. Then I left click here. Let's change it over here. In class activity 2.1 to 2.4. Hit save. All right, then we have some alt text issues. So I click on the caret. Let's see what this does. I right click here. Left click here. There are 2 images. So let me go ahead and fix that. Okay, and then I'll go to the next one. And then save and close. So now the document has been fixed. It's all good to go. So come up here to menu, hit save, and then now you can close out. It will have here replace file with uploaded file. So I click here. I'm going to drag that new document into the box, click submit, and it's taking a moment. And here's where I'm having some breakdown, which I feel like it's my bandwidth that is creating this problem. So yes, so it shows an error occurred while checking this file. In other words, right now, UDOIT is unable to check to see if this file has been fixed or not. So here's what I want to show you. I'm going to download this file again to show you it has been fixed. So I'm downloading it. I am moving the document back to my desktop. And let's prepare for accessibility. If I go up here to automatically tag, it says it's been tagged. Do you want to re-tag it? Nope, I don't. So that's all good. If I go to check for accessibility and start checking, it's showing 2 issues, but these are issues that are not being flagged by UDOIT. As you can see, title has passed. There's no problems with alt text. This document is good. It's just right now, for whatever reason, it's not being able to be scanned by UDOIT. So what do? What I suggest is you have fixed it. So you click here for marked as reviewed, and then you move on to the next file. Now, I'm going to close out right here because it would be doing the same sort of thing. But let me show you what that does on this end. Okay, what is going to happen is, as you can see, I have worked on 6 documents in this course trying to figure out what was going on as far as with the error message. And so this number is going to go up as long as we're having this problem. But this number, you see, has now gone down. The file is missing a title element. So, and then this number is going to continue to rise. Whenever I first started, the percentage was at 41, and then now after fixing these 6, it's now at 44. So it is working. It's doing exactly what it needs to. We're just getting some very wonky information. So I'm going to do one more to give you an idea how to do it. And I believe in this course, it looks like everything's PDF. So I will do one more just to show you. Okay, we'll download. I'll open on the desktop, prepare for accessibility. I'm going to first automatically tag the document. That takes a moment. Then I'm going to go down here for check accessibility. Start checking. There are 3 issues. I right click on that, left click here. What do we have? In class activity 2.5 to 2.7. Okay. And then the alt text, click on the caret. Okay, we'll left click here, right click here. Okay, so these are needing alt text. There's 4 of them. I'm going to pause the video and then come back after I complete this. Okay, so I've completed the alt text, and so I'm going to come up here and hit save and close out. Replace file with upload with the new improved version. Hit submit. And I'm going to go ahead and mark reviewed. And yeah, and that showed up, but that's okay. Everything is as it should be. And we close out of here. Let's go back to the home, and you can see it's checking. It really is passing. It's just we've got this weird thing as all these numbers decrease. This one is, for whatever reason, I have no idea. It's just not checking it. But the main thing is your documents are now accessible. So if you have any questions, please contact me. Have a great day. Bye-bye.